All right, everybody, welcome back. You ready to dive in?
Absolutely, let's do this.
Today, we're looking at Notcoin. Not T.
Yeah, I've been seeing it around.
So we've got some numbers in front of us, some data about how it's been doing, how it's doing in the market, and we're going to unpack all of that for you.
Sounds good.
All right, so Notcoin. It's currently sitting at, let me see here,
Okay.
0.007779.
Okay.
Which actually, get this,
Mm-hmm.
is a 5.34% increase in the last day.
Wow.
Yeah. Imagine waking up and your investment did that.
Yeah, that's pretty good for a day.
Right.
Yeah.
So what's also really interesting is if you look at the market cap. So the market cap is currently sitting at $797 million.
Okay.
And that's grown about 5.4%.
So the market cap, just to for people who might not be familiar,
Right.
that's basically like, if you think of like a company, it's like the total value of the company.
Exactly. Yeah, the total value of all the Notcoin that's out there in the world.
Right.
Out in the world. Yeah. And so this is showing us that it's grown quite a bit.
It definitely shows a lot of interest. Yeah.
Yeah, that's a lot of growth in just one day.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Okay.
So then we look at the 24-hour trading volume,
Yes.
and that's a whopping, get this, $449.12 million.
Wow. That's a lot of movement.
Right.
Yeah.
And a 33.52% increase. So people are buying and selling like crazy.
Yeah, and so if you compare the trading volume to the market cap, so that's what we call the volume to market cap ratio.
Okay.
That's sitting at 54.34%. So that's actually quite high. So if you imagine like a swimming pool,
Okay.
all the water in the swimming pool, that's like all the Notcoin that's out there.
Okay, I got you.
And then all the splashing that's going on in the pool.
Right.
That's like the trading volume. So there's a lot of splashing going on in the Notcoin pool right now.
Gotcha. So is everybody just suddenly deciding to buy Notcoin? Like what's happening? What's driving this?
Well, so right now there's about 102.46 billion Notcoin in circulation.
Okay.
And if you look at the fully diluted valuation.
Okay, now what is that?
Right. So that's basically saying, okay, what if all the possible Notcoin that could ever exist, existed right now? What would the total value be?
Okay.
And that's also sitting around that $797 million mark.
So it's basically the same as the market cap.
Yeah, pretty much.
Gotcha.
And so that shows that while there is a lot of Notcoin out there, the demand seems to be increasing.
Okay.
Which suggests that people aren't just buying it and selling it immediately to make a quick buck. It suggests they're actually holding on to it.
Interesting.
Yeah, because they believe in it. They think it might be valuable in the long run.
They see future for it.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, now let's take a trip down memory lane.
Okay.
Back in June, Notcoin hit an all-time high.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, 0.02896.
That's a big jump.
Yeah, so it's come down from that.
Right.
But it's still pretty impressive.
Yeah.
Considering that in May, it was at its lowest,
Okay.
which was 0.0004605.
All right.
So it's 69.84% higher than that low point.
That's not bad. Yeah, not bad at all.
Not bad at all.
So it seems like, even though it did have that dip, it's kind of making a comeback.
Yeah. It's it's bouncing back.
Yeah.
So what do you think is driving this renewed interest in Notcoin?
Well, I think if you kind of put together everything we've been talking about, the increasing trading volume and the fact that the price is going up, it seems like there are people who are looking to make a quick profit. They see that the price is going up and they want to jump in, buy some, sell it quickly, hopefully make some money.
Gotcha.
But then it also seems like there are these long-term holders who really do believe that Notcoin has potential.
Yeah.
And so they're contributing to that growth too.
That makes sense.
Yeah.
And then there's this whole community, right?
Yeah.
There's like 174,000 followers in Notcoin.
That's a lot of people.
That's a lot of people. And according to some recent polls, it's like 89% are bullish on Notcoin.
Okay.
So that means they're optimistic.
Right. So they think the price is going to keep going up.
Yeah, they think it's going to keep going up.
That's really interesting because sometimes, community sentiment can be a big driver of, the success of a cryptocurrency.
Absolutely.
Because a lot of people are excited about it.
Yeah.
They're talking about it. They're sharing their excitement with other people. That can attract more investors.
Yeah, totally.
Yeah.
It creates this buzz.
Exactly.
So it sounds like, Notcoin.
Yeah.
It's been on this roller coaster.
It has. It has.
It's had its ups, it's had its downs, but it's definitely fascinating to see how it's performing right now.
Absolutely. And it really makes you think, with all this excitement, with all this buzz, where does Notcoin fit in this whole world of cryptocurrency?
Yeah.
And is this something worth exploring further? Yeah.
Well, we're just, we've just been looking at the data here today. This is not financial advice.
Right.
So please do your own research.
Yeah.
Jump in, see what Notcoin's all about.
Yeah.
Happy diving.
Happy diving.